Look, it's our Sprunki friends. Hey, an eye. I wouldn't touch that if I were you. What did I tell you? Oh, this is just awful. I mean, I like slime, but not like this. Hold on, Mr. Black has something up his throat. Our Sprunki friends are back, just in horror mode. But maybe we should keep an eye on them. Let's see if we can find them again. Oh, Gray doesn't look too happy. Don't worry, Mr. Sun is here to help. But first, we gotta help him. After all, Mr. Sun likes to help things shine. Now let's get you something to eat. Try some fish. It's... Oof, near. Just don't swallow the bones. You too. Ah, Gray's back to his old ashen face. Unfortunately, what goes in must come out. Yeah, make sure you wash those hands. But first, we should probably clean things up. Come on, let's find your spot. You'd think they'd be color-coded. Hey, there's something in your hair. A bug! Let's put it with the rest of them. Ooh, Veneria, you don't look so good. I've heard of bug eyes, but not like this. Some cucumber slices should perk things up. While you rest, let's clean up your hair. I'd say you could use a haircut, but I'm not sure all that stuff is hair. Let's wash it. Soon, it'll be its nice green color again. In fact, you'll be back to your whole verdant self. Speaking of green, Mr. Tree is here too. Of course, he's brought a rainbow's worth of flowers. Let them bloom, and you've got some new accessories. Ooh, let's grab her mini-me. Something must have happened at band practice. Ooh, slime! Probably best to drop this mic. Hold on, I think there's someone in here. Whoever it is, they've got big eyes. We should probably clean them up. Let them have a relaxing soak, and we can clear all this slime. I think we should match silver with silver. Now things are starting to look familiar. Ah, crafting is busy work. Wait, don't drink that! Return those eyes, and that hat too! It's Clucker, and he's got a surprise for you. Ew, how did you hurt your face? This should relieve some bloating. You swallowed a spider to catch the fly? You know, you don't eat the napkin. Besides, we can use it to wash up. Wow, someone's pretty and pinky. And the mini-me's are here to help. What's under here? A kitty? Look, another eye! And a bow. I think it's time to make some faces. Let's just hope it stays that way. Wow, those scissors sure are sharp. Just what we need for our next game. Hey, it's our old pal Bubba Fant. Sadness too? Noticing a pattern here? Let's see who's behind curtain number 3. It's a little hard to make out. Hold on. I think it's Sky. Or it used to be. Don't worry, we'll fix you right up. Want something to bite down on? Now let's add some aloe vera. You'd be surprised what this stuff can do. We're almost done patching you up. Now you can rest those eyes. Hey, do you smell something? Ooh, someone's in need of a good tongue scraping. You know, it helps to chew your food. It also helps to stick to food. How do you even taste anything? This is going to take some advanced scraping. Of course, brushing's important too. Rock that smile, Simon. Hey, who's screaming? It's Tunner, I think. There's a hit the nail by the head joke in here somewhere. Now we should probably clean you up. Jeepers creepers, you could use some new peepers. The Scarecrow's not the only one who needs a brain. Forget the wizard. The mini-me's are here to help. Seems simple enough. Just gotta match the colors. Okay, we're almost done. Just a few more matches. Hold on, I don't think that's quite right. Yeah, orange and gold are easy to mix up. Don't worry, Garnold. We'll find your match. We did it! And we've got a new brain. Bandage him up. Good thing he wears a hat. Good thing Owaxiax has got a hospital gown. He looks like he could use a doctor. At least let's make him a new mouth. Next, let's clear up those dry eyes. Talk about a full body makeover. Let's see if we can find some donors. That's it? We're gonna need some more. Let's speed things up. Oh, everyone's being so generous. Still, it's starting to become a puzzle, literally. Well, we just gotta take things slow. And look for corner pieces. Gotta love corner pieces. Aw, now someone's back to their old limey self. Guess Oren needs our help next. Now, you might feel a slight pinch, but don't worry. Next comes nap time. How about we check her brain waves? Ooh, that doesn't look good. We should take a closer look inside. It's not easy getting others to open up. Let's get rid of all this excess gunk. She's getting a full rework. Now let's just patch her up. Next, it's time to collect some vital organs. Video games really prepared us for med school. Quick, while everything's still fresh. Now just put everything in its place. Almost done. Just need to close her up. Ooh, she's sounding better already. Okay, wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to join your friends. In fact, we're gonna make you a friend from scratch. Make sure those joints are sealed in tight. And don't forget a great big smile. Also, eyes. Wow, there are no strings on this guy. This looks like a job for unicorn snot. Wow, he's a real boy who's in need of some clothes. Here, try these on for size. Wow, looking good. Ooh, there's even a hat. Come on, jump in. After all, you want to show up in a cool ride. It's almost time for your date with Dolly. Here, Dolly, we whipped you up a special surprise. And yes, that is his real hair color. Isn't he cool? Aw, Dolly wants to give him her heart. But remember, it's all in the presentation. Let's whip up a special candy dispenser. Give it a squeeze and you get a lollipop.
Cool.
Here, why don't you have a napkin too? Hey, don't eat it. Wait a minute. He's using them to make something. He's making strawberries. So why not try the real thing? After all, the juice is already the right color. Just add a little green on top. They'll make for a great pair of earrings. They're scented too. Aw, they're already in love. But he's not done just yet. Wrap up a matchbox in pink paper. Soon it's a special potty with a special surprise inside. Hey, it's a ring! And he's getting on one knee. You know what that means. Wait, I think you forgot someone. Poor Mr. Unicorn will be all alone again. Aw, cheer up. Dolly knows just what you need. We just need to take some old cardboard. Now we can draw you up a special surprise. It's a special unicorn bank. Just add another layer. Don't forget to add some paint. There's a reason unicorns and rainbows go together. Feed it a coin and it slides right down into a little bank. Now you've got a new friend to play with. Also, money. And these two can get a head start on their happily ever after.